Hi, it's Emily from WTI. My husband and I built an overlanding trailer this summer, and so we have been on the hunt for amazing camping accessories to outfit our trailer. And when I came across this collapsible trash can from HIKEMAN, I knew that this would be the perfect addition to our kit. When it arrived, I was immediately impressed with both its rugged design and how many thoughtful features they added to what would be a really simple product, a trash can. It has this really nice rubberized base, which is awesome because it's easily cleanable and wipeable. Since you're going to be sitting it on the ground outside while you're camping, you want something that's both sturdy, tough, and easy to clean. It also has really easy to use carry handles, which is great for lugging it down to wherever you need to dispose of your trash. I also love the little clips on the inside. We were able to use these to secure both a trash and a recycling bag inside, but you could use one bag with all of the clips as well. The zipper top keeps critters out of your trash at night, which is super important. And there's even expandable poles that you put in the inside to keep it holding its upright position. That makes it a lot sturdier and stronger when it's open at camp. Nobody likes trash bags hanging on trees or having to sit in your car at night to keep away from critters and smelling up your car. Trash is basically like the bane of camping, but you can solve all those problems with this amazing trash can from HIKEMAN. It gets it out of sight, out of mind, but you can keep it super close, functional, and easily contained. The pop-down design makes it great for storage. I'm going to say words that I never thought I would say. I love this trash can. Who thought you could love a trash can? I do. I love this trash can. It's so great to take with us camping. I think you'll love it too, and that's my point of view.